Welcome back, aspiring YouTubers. If you're passionate about creating content and dreaming of turning your hobby into a lucrative career, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be discussing 7 proven strategies to make money on YouTube and unlock your earning potential. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. YouTube has become a popular platform for content creators to share their videos with the world. With over 2 billion monthly active users, it is no surprise that many people are turning to YouTube as a source of income. If you have a YouTube channel or are thinking of starting one, here are 7 ways to make money on YouTube. 1. Monetize your videos. The most common way to make money on YouTube is by monetizing your videos through Google AdSense. This allows you to earn money from ads that are displayed on your videos. To be eligible for this, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once approved, you can enable monetization on your videos and start earning a share of the revenue generated from the ads. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money on YouTube. This involves promoting products or services in your videos and including affiliate links in the video description. When viewers click on your links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. To be successful with affiliate marketing, it is important to choose products or services that are relevant to your niche and that your audience would be interested in. 3. Sponsorships and brand deals. As your channel grows in popularity, you may have the opportunity to collaborate with brands and companies for sponsorships and brand deals. This involves promoting a product or service in your videos in exchange for payment. The amount you can earn from sponsorships and brand deals varies depending on your channel's size and engagement rate. It is important to choose brands that align with your values and that your audience would be interested in. 4. Create and sell merchandise. If you have a loyal fan base, you can create and sell merchandise such as t-shirts, hats, mugs, and other branded items. This not only allows you to make money, but it also helps to build a stronger connection with your audience. You can promote your merchandise in your videos and on your channel's homepage. Many popular YouTubers have found success with this method of making money on YouTube. 5. Offer memberships or subscriptions. YouTube offers a feature called channel memberships, where viewers can pay a monthly fee to become a member of your channel. This gives them access to exclusive content, perks, and benefits, such as badges and emojis. You can also offer subscriptions through platforms like Patreon, where viewers can support you with a monthly donation in exchange for exclusive content or perks. 6. Crowdfunding. Another way to make money on YouTube is through crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter and GoFundMe allow you to create a campaign and ask your audience to donate towards a specific project or goal. This could be to fund a new series of videos, purchase new equipment, or attend a conference. You can promote your crowdfunding campaign on your channel and social media platforms to reach a larger audience. 7. Create digital products. If you have a specific skill or expertise, you can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or presets. These products can be promoted on your YouTube channel and website. You can also offer them as a bonus for purchasing merchandise, becoming a member, or subscribing to your channel. Making money on YouTube requires time, effort, and dedication. It is important to constantly engage with your audience, create high-quality content, and find ways to monetize your channel that align with your niche and values. With these 7 methods, you can turn your passion for creating videos into a profitable source of income. Thank you for watching today's video on 7 ways to make money on YouTube. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which monetization strategy you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy YouTubing!